English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 2, Number 8. Ronnie and Boshir together have 780 leases. Boshir has 64 more leases than Ronnie. How many leases does each of them have? That means Boshir has 60 more than leases than Ronnie. So Boshir has Boshir 64 if we subtract, then then we get the both of the 78 780 minus 64 equal to 716. 716 leases are they both. Then each person has 716 divided by 2 equal to 358 leases. Then Boshir has 700. Then Boshir has 64 more. So 358 plus 64 equal to 422. Answer: Ronnie has 358 and Boshir has 422 leases. Thank you.